guys, yung unang stop namin dito sa Fukuoka is yung Ichiran.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
So guys, dito kami ngayon sa Yokohama. Papunta kami dun sa Gundam Factory. So, ngayon dito kami malapit sa may pier, Yamashita Pier. Medyo malamig compared to Tokyo kasi malapit sa dagat. Ayun siya. Kikita niyo yung autumn leaves. Ayun yung autumn leaves. So dito daw guys yung ano, yung Gundam na gumagalaw. So tignan natin. Later papunta doon. So guys, ayun na. As you can see over there. Ayun yung Gundam Factory, Yokohama. So guys, malapit na kami dun sa Gundam Factory dito sa Yokohama. And I'm seeing, I think this is a bus terminal as well beside the Gundam Factory. And then there's the, you know, Yamashita Pier over there. Yan. Ito na guys, malapit na. Ayan siya.
ぜひ迫力のあるガンダムを間近でご覧ください。またチケットをお持ちでないお客様も受付横の場外トレーラーショップをご利用いただきます。
Sapporo. 3 years mahigit yung biyahe from Hokuto Station. Thank God kasi gumanda na yung weather kanina kasi naulan dito, naambon namin sa Hokuto. So ayun, hanapin muna namin yung accommodation namin. See you guys later. Bye. Punta na kami sa Sapporo Clock Tower. Explore Sapporo. So guys, papunta kami sa Odori Avenue. Lamig na, nagbini na rin ako. Hindi ko lang nadala yung gloves kasi naiwanan ko dun sa hostel namin. Kaya time check tayo. Time check, 5:57 PM pero madilim na guys. I'm not sure, siguro because of the weather kasi kanina, earlier this morning, it was drizzling or maambon. Maybe that could be one of the factors kaya nagdilim na rin, or siguro maaga talaga nagdidilim dito unlike sa atin sa Philippines or sa Singapore na late na nagsa-sunset. So ayun, wait na kami. Lamig. We're off to Chitosetsuru Sake Museum. Forecast today, -3 degrees Celsius according to our weather app. So guys, dito kami ngayon sa Oasa Station. We're off to Nopporo Forest Park dito sa Sapporo. Side of Central Sapporo, yung pupuntahan namin dun sa Nopporo Forest Park. 1.9 kilometers from the station, so we'll just walk down. So guys, nandito na kami inside historical village of Hokkaido. So we'll visit and explore the place. We'll look for that houses na good for pictorial and sightseeing na rin inside this village. Layo na nilakad namin. So yun siya. So guys, ang lamig na dito. Ayan o, yung sample na bahay dito sa historical village of Hokkaido. So sabi dito sa leaflet na binigay nila, The historical village of Hokkaido is an open-air museum of relocated and restored buildings that represent the history of Hokkaido from 1868 to the 1920s. From the Meiji period to the beginning of the Showa period, it was opened in 1983 to preserve important cultural assets of Hokkaido for future generations and provide experiences of past history and culture in the Meiji and Taisho periods. So, ayan, may dumadaan na. Horse drone. Kalesa. There are 52 buildings in all, arranged in 4 groups: the town, fishing village, farm village, and mountain village. Each building contains displays that illustrate lifestyles, cultures, and industries of the people during the Meiji and Taisho periods. So yun guys, ito siya. May isa pa dito. Parang haunted house. Anyway, ayan. Lamig. Maganda siguro dito no kung springtime. Kaso paano na eh. Pa-winter na. So kaya wala na ganong bunga yung mga puno. Yung pines na lang meron. Pines lang sa kalam. Anyway, ayan. Pasok tayo guys. Tingnan natin dito. Mga ceramics naman dito. So guys, isipin nyo no, kung dito sa Japan, November, autumn, in preparation for the winter, busy mga tao dati. Tapos wala pang heater or heating system. So talagang kailangan to make preparations for the winter kasi kung hindi, nako, mamamatay ka sa lamig. Lalo na dito sa Hokkaido, malamig, pinaka mataas na area, northern part ng Japan. So kailangan talaga nilang gumawa ng paraan para to keep them warm during the winter season. Ito yung church nila. Yung Japanese house. And guys, tapos pupuntahan na namin yung Akiyama family house beside the river. And siya, I'm gonna visit na yung Akiyama family house. Ayun yung pinaka-instagrammable dito sa historical village of Hokkaido. Maganda sana siya kung springtime eh. So I might visit again Hokkaido. Ito yung Akiyama family house. Nag-announce na sila ng schedule nung last trip ng bus. So, yun kami. Ang lamig talaga, gosh. So, ito na siya, guys. Tingnan natin sa loob. Mga ginagamit dati ng mga tao sa Japan. Okay. Yun. Sapporo Beer Museum. Going home now from Sapporo to Manila. We're going home now.
だってもらったもの